Hi guys, now for this part of the series, we'll be uh, creating the source distribution and the wheel. I went ahead and already wrote some code so we can skip to the part that I explained the commands that you should be running. So you need to have those meta attributes. If you are from Node.js, uh, this is like the package.json with all the information from the software that we are developing here. So version, URL, author email, author, the most incredible man over the face of the earth. The description. Here also we need a license and a readme. It kind of, if you run the following command that we will run, which is python setup.py dist, and actually it's sdist and dist wheel, it will run, but it will run with some warnings, which the warnings will be that we have no license, no readme, and no meta tags, description, author, email, URL, and version. If you are publishing those the package, it's just right to do so. But if you are just keeping it to yourself or just some friends and don't need to specify to the broad community what the software is intended for in the contact, if anybody has a problem, it's all right. So let's run the command. All right. So I need to have a setup tools installed. So I'm going to create a virtual env here. All right. So I'll probably specify Python 3.9. Oh, and I shall specify that we'll drop the files inside this env folder. So now we deactivate, right? Just usual stuff. So with that activated, we can pip install setup tools, right? All right. So our command shall pass now, and it did. So here we have, if we haven't if we didn't add those tags, it will be warning us inside this output here. So now with that already, for everything in place, we have a dist folder, a build folder. We can make a dir outside our package folder. So let's make a dir at home, Johnny packages. The name can be any name you want, and you have to copy the dist. Let's see the name here. I don't remember the name. Dist add. All right, dist add. Dist add dot 0.1. All right. We're gonna copy it to the home Johnny packages. All right. Also, we'll copy the what's the tar file. All right. We'll copy the tar file tar.gz to that location, Johnny.packages. Now we have outside our main folder, our project folder, the wheel and the tar file, and we can run the following command. So we have our little package installed. We run pip install no index, find links. We're going to specify that folder. And the name of our package. Worked. Now we will run inside our folder so we can see that we are already set. Oh, sorry. And we see that we already have this requirement satisfied. So basically that's it. We have a source distribution already and set to share a code with our teams and friends and the community, Python community. So thank you very much. Hope it helped you.